Ready to go?
Yes, they look strong.
Good. We'll be back soon.
The dough needs a little more water. There, now it will cook nicely.
It's a beautiful day for a walk.
Yes, and carrying these pots is fun.
You two are doing great.
Faster, everyone. Careful, don't drop it. I won't. The pot is almost full. Just a little more water. There, all done.
Here you go, my friend. Enjoy. You're very hungry today. Good goats.
Here you go, friends. Good job.
Here you go. Eat up. There's plenty for everyone. Here you go. Eat up. You're a good friend. I'll get you more soon.
Who can solve this equation?
Is it x minus y, teacher?
Yes, Ahmed. Excellent work.
Children, today here's the lesson.
About?
It teaches us to value knowledge.
We will remember.
Children, gather close. Today, a story of adventure.
What is it about?
A hero's quest, full of wonder.
The young prince set off on his adventure. He climbed the highest mountain, where the air was thin and the view breathtaking.
Look at that beautiful sky.
It is, and this food is delicious.
Everything is perfect today.
This is delicious. I'm glad you like it.
Can I have some too? Of course. Go for it! Yeah! I got it!
Yes!
Oh! Go, go, go! Run! What a shot! Go, go, go!
I got it!
Hooray!
That's a lovely stitch, dear.
Thank you. It's fun.
You're both doing so well.
I'm
This pattern is beautiful. Yes, the colors are perfect.
almost done.
The river rises with this rain. Aye, but the path holds firm.
Hurry, let's get to shelter.
Is rising fast.
What should we do? Look, the water is coming.
We have to move.
The water is still rising. We must act now.
But where can we go? The fields are all flooded.
The water is rising! Move! Keep going! Don't stop!
Help! I can't hold on!
The water's rising! This way! To higher ground!
I can't hold on.
This plank goes here.
I'll hold it steady.
Nailing it down.
More planks coming.
Perfect. It's hold. Right, steady now.
Almost there. Is this right?
Yes, perfect!
Great job, everyone.
Here you are, brother. Thank you, brother. Fresh bread for you.
Enjoy the meal. Blessings upon you. And thank you.
You're welcome. Here is some bread for you.
Thank you so much. We are all so thankful.
There is enough for every. Dear grandson, always remember to be kind
I will, Grandpa.
and cherish your family, for they are your greatest. Is our greatest blessing.
We are so grateful.
I love you, Grandpa.
And I love you. Remember, my dears, family is our greatest strength. Support each other, and you will always find happiness.
This mud is endless. We'll get it done.
Almost clear here.
Let's get this street clean, everyone!
Right behind you.
This pile is growing fast.
It's a team.
Almost.